Hello, wonderful people. I go by the name Paul Wokwe, a real estate authority based here in Owerri. And today we'll be going from PamTech. If you know Portharcourt Road, if you know EE29 Hotel, if you know PamTech, you know this is where I am right now. So we'll be going from this location to Suncity Parks and Gardens Estate. You know, right now we are still selling for 9 million, and from next month the price is going to increase to 12 million naira, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. So today I'll be driving from here to the estate, so you get to see the location and how far it is from this location, that's this PamTech office. Okay, so you get to get the idea. If you're in the diaspora, you get to see what you're buying, and once you are ready, you can commit and make payments and be a landowner here in Owerri Imo State. Okay, let's go. In this video you get to see how far it is to drive to our amazing Suncity Parks and Garden Estate Owerri. There is no other estate like this, and we are developers, so what you see is what you're gonna get. So for my diaspora clients who cannot come here in person, I'm making this video for you. So anywhere you are, you can actually see how to get to this location, or you can actually send your family members this video so they can locate this estate. And mind you, before you send this video, you have to go through me and not through another person, because I'm making this video for you and for you guys alone, and also for my professionals who are in Nigeria who want to live very close to New Owerri, not more than 15 minutes from New Owerri. This is actually for you, because I know you have busy schedules that you don't have time to come for inspection. I'm making this video for you. For me, I feel like this is the best location so far right now in Owerri. You know, when you talk about Avu, it's affordable and it's still one of the best locations, because this new access road that His Excellency Governor Obosima is doing right now has made it possible for people in Avu and Obosima to actually have good access road, and Suncity Parks and Gardens Estate benefited from it, and it's such an amazing project, and I commend the governor for the work so far. So we are at the checkpoint. I'll get to a place where I'll drop my camera and we'll move forward, but I'm gonna cut those places off. Okay, so let's go. Enjoy the video while we go to Suncity Parks and Gardens Estate. Okay, let's go. So many of you don't know Avu Junction. This is Avu Junction. This is Avu Junction before Redemption. If you move forward, you get to Redemption Estate and the rest. So you see, it's a dual carriageway, and this is how it's going to be till you get to Suncity Parks and Garden. But they're still working on the road, so you get to a point where you see that it's only one lane that have been done, and they have not put the demarcation. So enjoy the video while we head to our estate. Welcome to Suncity Parks and Gardens Estate, one of the best estates in the whole of Owerri, and it's a new estate and we're already doing massive and it's very affordable, just 9 million naira. You know how much you can buy land in New Owerri. It's over 70 million naira to 200 million. So I'll just step out of my car to show you the road. You can see one lane have been tarred, and this is our estate. You can see there's already electricity, and our pole is there already. We already have light and transformer inside our estate, so they will still do the other lane and put the demarcation. That's part of the work, and the road is still going down. So let's drive inside. Okay, so I will drive you inside the estate so you get to feel it. It's not just about showing you. You get to feel it with me. When I tell you to buy this estate, I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying, because in the next 4 to 8 years, if you don't buy, you're gonna miss out, right? You're gonna miss out, seriously. But let's go. You can see from the first gate to the second gate is about 30 seconds. It's about 20 seconds drive. Then you get to the main estate. You can see our security by the right. So they're opening the gate for the king. The king is here. Well, this is not bragging, but I've sold more than 5 plots here. I just started selling this estate 3 months ago, and I've sold 5 plots. And this year, I'm happy I'm going to make so many investors, landowner here in Suncity Parks and Gardens. So before I go and show you our duplex we are selling, you can see that people are already developing. All these things are investors building because they know there is no time, because light is already here and it's very close to town. That's the amazing thing. It's very close to town, and this is the best time you can buy it as cheap as 9 million naira. That is, we're going for full plots. We also sell half plots, right? So let me show you the duplex we are selling for 130 million naira asking price. Okay, I will show you all the areas in this duplex. It's a 5-bedroom duplex, and you cannot buy this duplex for nothing less than 180 million inside town. Let's say you're buying it around New Owerri, you're buying it around what's this place again, Wedra, MCC, Ikenebu. All those places have gone beyond 200 million, but here we are still selling for 130 million. Is amazing. It's an amazing thing. And you can see we also have space here if you want to do your BQ, like you want to do a small bungalow at the back. You can see you also have space here, or you want to do a pool, or you want to do a garden, just anything you want to do. And it has 2 gates, so you can park car at the back. You can also park your car at the front. Such an amazing duplex, and it's a full plot, 50 by 100. You can see the door that we put here, luxury doors. And if you enter the ante room, you can see the screening we use here, the fittings, the shiny tiles. And let me show you the WC, that's visitor's toilet. You can see it's very big. Modify this is even bigger than some people's bathroom, in people living in the flats, right? You can see this door. This is bulletproof door, and it's machine. When I say machine door, image go there on a kuchi kaji wagon, image your kuchi kum. So this is the parlor, that's the dining area. You see the staircase, you see the visitors room, that's the door to the visitors room. So let me show you the dining. You can see the dining area, very sharp. The tiles we use here are very sharp. You can see the staircase. So let me show you the visitors room. Voila! See the wardrobe. You can see the tiles we use here, very shiny, properly ventilated. You can see it has windows on the two sides, and this is the toilet. All of them have enclosed shower, you know, so if you're taking a shower, to not be coming outside the toilet and splashing everywhere, right? Just like they do in flats, right? So see the kitchen, you see another different house, even the walls, very, like, it's intentional, right? It's intentional. All these tiles are intentional. You can see where you can put your gas, where you can put your heat extractor, and also you can see the sink, golden sink. And this door leads to the corridor. So let's step out. Let me show you the store. This is the store. You can see you can make this look more flexible when you put the shelves. So this is the smallest room here. So we have 2 rooms down and 3 rooms upstairs. Okay, you can see the wardrobes, very sharp. This is the only room that does not have enclosed shower, right? Doesn't have enclosed shower, but you can as well put it, right? Yeah. So going upstairs, you can see we're going upstairs, very sharp, very sharp, very sharp. You can see it's quite spacious, and as you're stepping in, you see the parlor upstairs. This is the parlor. You can see how beautiful it is, you know, with the way we tiled it, and the black tiles and the white tiles and the chandelier, you know, everything looking so stunning, so stunning, so stunning. So you can see the corridor from the parlor. You can come up here and you can see the whole estate. Wow, 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 this is amazing. This is amazing. So this is the master's bedroom. You can see lots of windows here, lots of windows. So let me show you around. We have 4 windows, 4 solid windows. This is a walk-in closet, but first of all, let's step out. This is actually a strong door, very strong door. So you have access from the masters to the corridor. You can see wardrobe by my left and wardrobe by my right hand. So if you come out from the shower, you can wear your clothes and just step outside. So you can see very massive toilet and bath, and your shower. You can see enclosed shower. So if you're bathing here, water will not be splashing outside, right? You can see your water heater, the mirror, and the wash hand basin. So stepping out to the office, here you can use this as an office, or you can use it as your library, or whatever you want to use it for, right? It's up to you. So this is the madam's room, very spacious. 6 by 4 bed can enter here comfortably. You can see the POP, the color we choose, the wardrobe, everything is strategically placed. You can see the toilet, you can see the walk-in wardrobe and shower, the water heater, everything little. I know by now you are looking for a way to call my number, but chill, enjoy. So this is another room, another room that has its own corridor. This one can also serve as madam's room, while the other one serve as kids' room. Right? You can see the tiles, very sharp tiles. You can see the lighting, the POP. When you turn on the lights here, all these fancy lights start shining. Thank you for watching my video, and see you on my next video. If you want to call me right now, there's a number here on your screen. Call it. Let's deal. Thank you.